I made it here to church. I was able to get out. As you can see, my car is right here. It's out in the open. It's really bright. So, see, I'm at church. I'm at church right now. So instead of having church at 5 o'clock in the morning, I ended up changing the service to 3. And then another one will be at 7. And here's Mike shoveling. Still shoveling throughout the day.
Hello.
How do you feel?
Tired.
Tired. Sore. So, still waiting. The parking lot is still clear. As you can see the piles. The entire place is clear. So, right now, just waiting. Right now, I think it is, what time is it? 1:15. We are still waiting for everyone else to get here. Hopefully, everyone gets here safely. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is the front of the parking lot. And then we'll go back here. The big mounds of snow right there. So here's what it looks like from the back. And you go any closer, right there. That is how it looks like in the first parking lot. Yes, we have 2 parking lots. So over here is the second parking lot. So this is an entire parking lot. Back over here. See how big this area. The icicles at our church. They're pretty deadly looking. Look at that big one. Look at this big one over here. This is really dangerous. Okay, so church is over now, and since I have to be back here around later, because I have choir practice later. Sorry, there's sun in my eyes. But me and Mike are gonna go somewhere to eat. My arms hurt really bad from shoveling earlier. It sucks. There's something in my eye. See you guys later when we eat in the car. Hey, bye. Okay guys, so we just came back from
McDonald's.
McDonald's! Yeah, McDonald's! So, we're just gonna eat right now and chill. Watch some Netflix on my phone. And wait for the time I have to do choir practice, which is probably 8 o'clock at night. And right now it is 4:52. So, we're gonna be out, hanging out at church for a while. And then we'll be home, or at work. See you guys next time. Bye.